Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the chainless double crochet stitch or method. So to begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Essentially, this method or tutorial is going to teach you how to make the double crochet stitch without a turning chain at the beginning of the row. It's going to help keep the edges of your work completely straight and neat looking. So to get started with this tutorial or method, it doesn't really have to do with the double crochet stitch. We're just using the double crochet stitch as an example. It really has to do with this method or tutorial on how to keep the sides of your work straight. So using the double crochet stitch as an example, you're going to make a swatch. I made 24 chains. And then I made a double crochet into the fourth chain from my hook, and then made a double crochet into each chain across. Once you get to the end of your row, this is where we're going to bring in the chainless part of this tutorial. So you're going to leave this little loop at the end of your row, take your hook out. You can make this loop a little bigger if you want to make it stand out more. That way you know you can see the loop, it's good, it's still there. And then you're going to turn your work and you're going to insert your hook back into that loop. You can tighten it up a bit, which is totally fine, like a normal loop. And then you're going to start working your double crochet like you normally would into stitches. And you can see how the side of our work is very straight, very neat, very clean. And that is what this tutorial is about. You're not making chains over here. This chainless method where you just take your hook out, put your hook back in, and start from there. You're not making any extra chains. So this area right here is going to be neat and straight. Now to show you that again, you're going to be at the end of your row, whatever row you're making. You're going to have your little loop over here. You're going to take your hook out of that loop. You can make the loop a little bit bigger. That way when you turn your work, you know your loop is still there. You're going to insert your hook back into that loop. You can tighten it back up. And then you're going to make your double crochet like you normally would. And again, you can see how the edge of my work right here is very nice and straight and even. And that is going to be how to make the chainless double crochet method or tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.